You quit soda. You cut out candy. You're eating clean. Your bloodstream can't tell the difference. 73 grams. That's how much added sugar the average American eats every day, most of it hidden in foods they think are healthy. But what happens when you cut it all, completely, for 14 days? Your body doesn't relax. It retaliates, then rebuilds. Day 1 doesn't feel like a fresh start. It feels like something's missing. Within hours, your brain feels the absence. Your brain has been getting a hit of sugar 30, 40, sometimes 60 times a day. Not from candy, from bread, from dressing, from the granola bar you thought was healthy. Now, nothing. Sugar activates dopamine, the same reward circuit triggered by nicotine and cocaine. This is the same neurological pathway activated by alcohol. When sugar stops, dopamine levels drop by up to 50%. Avena et al., 2008. Rats given intermittent sugar access developed binging, withdrawal, and craving patterns nearly identical to drug dependency. That headache on day 1, that's not detox, that's withdrawal. Your cells have been burning glucose for fuel your entire life. It's fast, it's easy, and now it's gone. Your mitochondria are looking for the next shipment, and it's not coming. You feel terrible. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Your blood sugar is actually more stable right now than it's been in years. That exhaustion isn't your body breaking down. It's your body switching fuel systems. And that switch, it's about to change everything. For years, your pancreas has been screaming at your cells to absorb glucose. And for years, your cells have been ignoring it. That's insulin resistance. And 88% of American adults have some degree of it. By day 4, insulin levels drop. Not a little, significantly. And your cells start listening again. That brain fog you've had for months, it's not stress, it's not aging. It's your neurons starving because insulin resistance locked the door. The door just opened. As a pharmacist, I've seen the liver carry the burden of modern sugar. Fructose is processed just like alcohol. Same enzymes, same damage. But after 1 week sugar-free, liver enzymes stabilize. Inflammation markers fall. Research shows liver fat drops up to 20% in just 9 days. This is what your liver looks like on sugar, not on alcohol. On sugar, fructose, half of every spoonful of table sugar, is metabolized almost exclusively by the liver. Same organ, same pathway, same damage. Lustig, 2016. Children who cut sugar for just 10 days saw a 22% reduction in liver fat. Not 10 days of dieting, 10 days of removing one ingredient. Your liver has been asking for a break. This is what a break looks like. When you eat 73 grams of sugar a day, your taste buds recalibrate. They have to, otherwise every bite would be overwhelming. The problem? Real food stops tasting like anything. By day 7, your taste receptors start resensitizing. That strawberry isn't sweeter. Your brain is just finally able to hear it. This is why people on day 10 say carrots taste sweet. They're not exaggerating. They're hardware rebooted. Sugar triggers chronic low-grade inflammation. Not the kind you feel. The kind that quietly damages blood vessels, joints, and neurons for decades. By day 10, inflammatory markers like CRP start to drop. Your immune system stops fighting a phantom enemy. That puffiness in your face, inflammation. The joint stiffness in the morning, inflammation. The skin that never quite looks rested, inflammation. By day 14, your body isn't just surviving without sugar. It's rebuilding systems that sugar was quietly dismantling. That's not willpower. That's biology. Doing what it was designed to do when you stop interfering. Day 15, you made it. You feel sharper, lighter, clearer. So you celebrate. 1 muffin. You earned it. Within 20 minutes, your blood sugar spikes higher than it did on day 0. Not because the muffin is worse, because your body got sensitive again. All that healing, it made you more responsive to sugar, not less. That's not a flaw. That's your biology working correctly. But it means day 15 is the most important day of all, because sugar doesn't come back slowly. It comes back all at once. hidden in the reward you think you deserve. 262 names, one molecule, and your body recognizes every single one. 14 days won't undo 20 years of sugar, but it will show you something most people never see, what your body can actually do when you let it. If this changed how you think about sugar, subscribe. We go inside the body every week to show you what's really happening beneath the surface.